Ortec Manufacturing Flooring Usage Overview. Industrial Floor Specialists. Installation Instructions. Once tiles have been delivered, they should be stored in the area of installation at temperatures between 16 and 20 degrees for a period of 48 hours. Tools required. Floor preparation. Areas that require levelling should be cleared of all the dust and dirt. The appropriate self-levelling product should then be mixed and prepared for use. Spray the levelling product on the damaged floor area until surface is level. Allow to dry. Moisture content can be 85% for the loose lay system. Installation methods. To begin preparation for laying, you will need to measure the area and insert a chalk marker line. Alternatively, a straight line tool can be used for the same purpose. The tiles are then laid out in stacks to facilitate covering the area. We recommend for open joint tiles, you start in the centre of the room and using your chalk line, work out to meet the walls. The tiles are then aligned and using a rubber mallet are interlocked together. When fitting up to the walls, it will be necessary to measure, mark and cut the tiles accordingly. Tiles can be cut with a sharp knife or jigsaw, but a guillotine is the preferred option. The cut tiles will fit almost perfectly up to the wall. We recommend a 5mm expansion gap. Ramps and edges. If you want to create a matte area, profiled edges and corners are available. Edges are also utilised at doorways.